Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function small. This function examines a list of values and picks a value at a user specified position in the list. Now, what does that mean? Let's understand with an example. Here we have the sales figure for a different sales group for different regions and for different months. So, uh, in this list, if you want to find the smallest one or the second lowest value, we can find it through the function small. Now, let's find the smallest value from this data list. So what would be the syntax? It would be equals to small returns the smallest value or whichever value we specify. Now array is the data where we want. So it starts from D3 and we'll select till G18. So this is our array, comma, and the k value, that is the which smallest figure we want. If we say first, that is the lowest uh, number we want. So 1 2, the second lowest, 3 third lowest. So the first lowest, that means the least one. So the lowest amount is 1,05,000. Okay, so let's pick the second the lowest amount. Now let's see, we want to find not the least but the second least. So it will be equals to small array is our data where we have, and I say pick the second lowest amount. So I'll put 2, close the bracket, enter. So second lowest amount is this one. Let's look with another example. Small open array, select the array, comma, I want the third lowest. So I get the third lowest value. I want 10. So similar, instead of 3, I'll put 10. Let's see, comma, 10. Enter. Now we want the 81st lowest. But if you see, if we select this data from D3 to G18, we have only 80. Yeah, sorry, 64. If you see, we have count 64. So there are 64, but if I put 80 or 81st or anything above 64, let's see what does it bring up. So I'll just put the value here, equals to small, this is the array, and I put 81 and close the bracket, enter. It gives out error because we don't have 81 data. The maximum is 64. So if I give 64, change 81 to 64, it gives me the 64th, which is our highest value. Yeah, 9,72,356 is the highest value. Anything about the range, it will give error. Put 65 and gives an error because it does not find the 65th data. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.